Tell you what, if I had a lot more money, this would be the home site.
Oh, back here?
Yeah.
It'd be pretty back here, wouldn't it?
That road would not be cheap.
Dude.
Wow.
I like it.
Had any neighbors, anybody come up from back here?
Well, back here, I'll show you. I kind of,
all right.
We can ride. Or...
You want to ride?
I'll walk.
All right.
Stop right there. Your corner's like right up in there, but there's your ribbon. That just kind of gives you a little bit better.
Gotcha.
Right there.
Yeah, no, I got you. Yeah. So, like, when you walk out, is that the path, or can you, or even I can't even see. I'm talking about the path that.
Over there, the path. You can actually see the combine. It's
Look at the bird, so pretty. And I'm focused on recording.
Go film something. Watch where you're walking. Don't step on a snake.
I don't know where snakes are.
They probably ain't here.
So, here's a bunch of bugs. This might be a little place where I can have a little play area. And I don't have a snitch here yet, but yeah, it's really cool.
All right. Up here in the clearing, there's the brush. See all the nice big trees we left everywhere. This is a great part of the property, really flat, super quiet back here. There's no houses anywhere, but the road would cost like stupid money to get back here. So this will be probably one of the kids will end up building a house out here eventually, 20 years or something. But it's cool. All right. All right, so all on the right, we're 120 feet off the property line. Down here, we're going to kind of curve, and plus the property line gets closer to us at an angle. So eventually, like once we get past where he is, it's here, the property line will be like 100. We stay off the property line about between 50 and 100 feet until we get to the clearing into the back, and the right side of the clearing is on the property line. And they cleared it off to the left like a backwards flag. So whenever you're passing machinery, like if you're out here riding by yourself and they were working, you always got to remember they don't see you. They don't see you and they don't hear you. Yep. So act as if, you know, they don't hear or see you. This is where we're going. As you see, the grade changes. We're going downhill. Yes. It's a lot harder to tell, you know, when you just walk through the woods, right? So it changes, and then once we get down here, then we're kind of at level again. So this is the valley. This valley extends that way for half the property. So this flattens out, you ride flat. That's the big one. That'll hit the 4-foot pipe. And then we crossed over 2 other ones to get, or maybe this is the big one. This gets the 4-foot, the other 2 get, I think, 2-foot pipe. So this is all flat. Like from here, once we got top of this crest to the back of the property, which is another 40, 50 feet off of where he cleared. And that way, for more than half the property is all flat like this. And this is Georgian clay, GEC, for those that like to look up, people like to look up what stuff is. But anyway, so he'll dig a pit over here that won't get filled in, and he'll burn this crap in it. Because he's gonna take dirt from it to fix the road when the pipes go in. And so you see, like all those trees that we left, these are all big white oaks, all those. And there's even more that way. So, and there's a really big one. I'll drive around here in a second after he pulls that tree down. And show you the property line that way. So that big oak, white oak, that is the property line marker. There, it's on the property line. So like I said, he cut that right at, and then the road kind of, the property line goes off an angle that way, and the road angles that way. So this is the start of another 200 acres that way. And then behind us is a farm, and this is about all this is as far back he's clearing back here. That corner he's working on when we drove up is where he's finishing up. So I mean, he'll finish clearing this today. This was a quick 1 acre clear. Most of it's small stuff. Left all the big stuff, except for a couple of things. There was one rotten tree which he knocked down since I was back here with the girls. And if you want to drive through some scrub brush, I'll take you to the back of the property. When we fly the drone, you'll see. So if you're facing the house, we're in the back right corner. That's the corner of the whole property. We just rode the back property line. So we've cleared 1 acre basically up here in the right corner. Pretty much all the animals we're gonna run can be in silvo pasture. So it doesn't matter if we, have big open fields, we're okay. We're not gonna plant any more than what we've already got planted. So we can run sheep in this. We'll run pigs first. They'll take all the little crap out. Then we can run sheep and goats, no problem. So if we really get into that, that's what we'll do. And if we don't, then big camping spot.